Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to stop contact syncing now. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated and you're signed into the account you want to change. Then, open your profile and tap the three-line menu at the top right. This takes you to Settings. Once there, tap Accounts, then Permissions or Contacts. Labels vary by version because that's where Instagram stores sync controls. Move through these screens without leaving. Each tap reveals the next control you need to disable. Now you'll stop future syncing. Locate the Contacts or Contacts Sync section and find the Connect Contacts toggle. Tap to turn it off. The toggle should switch from on to off. If Instagram shows a confirmation prompt, accept it to prevent further uploads. Make sure the app indicates syncing is disabled. Sometimes you'll see a small status line. Once done, Instagram won't pull new contacts, although previously uploaded contacts may still remain in your account settings. Finish by removing contacts already uploaded. In the same contact sync area, choose Manage or a similar option and select Remove All Contacts or Disconnect. This deletes the stored contacts from Instagram. Tap Confirm, then fully close and reopen the app so changes take effect. If you don't see removal options, you may need to revoke permissions from your phone's OS settings instead. Troubleshooting tip: if contacts reappear, revoke the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.